Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rank up your overall rate by one level. So the overall of your team also increase, and the player attribute also increases to help you battle in the match. So I give you an example. Tap your player, maybe your starting 11, but I want to show you my substitute. I tap the Iron Rush, tap it, there are three options here. Tap the train option. As you can see, this rank up will consume the following item. This item, you will get this from event, just playing more the event, playing more the match, and you will get this attacking rank item. Also for midfielder, also for goalkeeper and defender, it's different, but this is the attacking rank item one. So there is condition to rank up your player. You need to train the Iron Rush until level 5 to do this rank up. And the benefit is this one, player attribute increase. Tap the information detail. This is the attribute that improve if you rank up this Iron Rush until 114. Let's rank up, and it consume credit also, coin I mean. So I'm already training level unlock the Iron Rush until 114. Type confirm. Let's get back. Another example is this one. Type train for Fedlesen. This is for mid-rank item. This is for midfield. Let's tap Fedlesen. Rank up success 120. So give it a try. Rank up your player and level up until 5 first before rank up your player. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.